and welcome to Lunchtime Look. My name is Sharon Rogers and I'm an independent Stampin' Up! Demonstrator from Wells, Maine. And every Thursday at noon I like to bring you a short little video. Sometimes I work on a project, sometimes I show you some swaps that I've received, and today I have a little tip for you. So if you have seen this set that is in the September to December Stampin' Up! Mini catalog, then some of you have made some judgments like, oh, I don't really like that set because it doesn't have any faces. Well, I'm going to show you how you can change that very simply. Here's a card I recently received in a swap, and I know that a lot of people struggle with the fact that these guys don't have any faces. That is an artistic design choice, and if you look around, you will see all sorts of artwork or even figurines that don't have faces. I think the Willow Tree people, they don't have faces. So it is an artistic design, but if it's something that you don't really care for, you can just add a couple things yourself with a Stampin' Write marker. You could use a blend as well. You could use a blender pen with an ink pad, but you can see what just a couple of eyes do. And I'm just gonna make little swoops there so that her eyes are looking down at Jesus. And same thing with Joseph. Just the addition of a couple of eyes make such a difference. It looks like he already has a mouth. I don't know if I want to give her a smile. I'm a little nervous to give her a smile. Yeah, now she looks kind of like a clown. So I probably should have stopped with the eyes, but that's what you can do. I mean, just the addition of those two eyes, look at what that does for baby Jesus. And that is Lunchtime Look. Short and sweet today. Okay, so the ink has dried a bit, and I find that she looks much better now. So the faces are complete, and I'm happy with that. So go ahead, don't always think that you have to stick with the artistic style that Stampin' Up! Has provided you. You can change it simply sometimes by a little marker. Have a great rest of your day.